So in this video, I will tackle about one of the four communication models, which is the Shannon-Weber's model communication. Before anything else, we have some background check about Shannon-Weber of communication. It describes a linear one-way process where information flows from a source to a receiver through a channel, potentially encountering noise. The key elements of Shannon-Weber model communication are the following. Source: the originator of the message. Transmitter: device that encode the message into signal transmission. Channel: medium through which the message transmitted. Receiver: device that receive the signal. Destination: the intended recipient of the message. Example scenario: John was talking his friend over the phone in the corner of the street where vehicles were passing by spontaneously. John is the sender. Phone is the channel. Friends, John is the receiver. Noise is the horn of vehicles passing by. In addition to these five elements, Shannon and Weber also considered the impact of noise. On effective communication, noise is classified as anything that might disrupt the message. In our example of face-to-face communication, noise might be an external sound such as fire alarm.